Ever wondered how much weight each person carries when three people lift a heavy log? It not might be as simple as you think. Today, we'll explore how physics answers this question using concepts like center of gravity, torque, and force distribution. We found out who carries the most weight and why. Three people are carrying a uniform heavy log. One person is positioned at the center of the log while the other two are in the same at the near end. Assuming that the log weight is evenly distributed, determine which person carries more weight and explain the reasoning behind this distribution of forces. Thanks for watching. Now, you know why the person in the middle carries more weight. Check out for more videos in physics. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.